Dear friends, this is Roblox Studio, and let's see today how to create your NPC which will be talking to you. Okay, so I am clicking on play. It's me. Okay, I'll click choose testing and go to Explorer, Workspace, and let me find myself. Oh, George's mama. Okay, choosing it, right click, copy. Okay, now I will stop the game and paste. This is our NPC, my NPC actually, and I want to make her to talk with me. So I will go to my NPC in Explorer, click on it, and as soon as I want the dialogue window to be somewhere maybe over her head, I have to find the head. Okay, head, I found it, and let's add the dialogue. This is the dialogue. Okay, let's click this dialogue and see. I'm not changing anything here. The conversation distance is okay, single player is okay. So the first thing that I will say to my NPC is here. Its initial prompt. It will be hi. Okay. And let's choose the very end, the goodbye of the dialogue. It will be bye. Okay. But it will be not interesting if it's only like that. So I will add to the dialogue, I will add dialogue choice. Something like after hi, what I will say, I can say, for example, how are you instead of bye. So I'm going to this dialogue choice, and here user dialogue will be my next phrase, something like how are you, and response will be something like good, thank you. Okay, and let's see how it can work. It's me. Okay, let's start. So firstly she will say hi. Now I have a choice because we wrote with you dialogue choice. I can say how are you, and she will say good, thank you. Okay, then I will say bye, and that's it. We could do the longer dialogues, longer choices, and so on, but the main idea is like that. So that's it. Thank you.